Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kikilicious for anybody who doesn't know, and today I'm going to be doing a wispy eyelash tutorial. This is for us broke ladies out here who want to look good but don't have the coin to do so, and like myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So everything you're going to need in this video is going to be under $5, and that is exactly how I wanted to keep it. You can buy individual lashes at your local beauty supply store instead of going to somewhere like Target or Walmart and going to go get like the Ardell brand or Kiss brand of individual lashes, which will run you more than $5, and they don't have that many in the pack. When you can go to your local beauty supply store and you can go and get you a $1.99 pack just like this. Yeah, this one is $1.99, and I have long and I have mediums because that's personally what I like to wear. I prefer black lash glue, lash adhesive. I prefer the black just because it blends in easier with just your natural lash. The clear one says it dries clear, but personally it dries white on me. I don't know if that's just me. They do have other brands of it, but like I said, I think this one runs me $3.99 if I'm correct. And yeah, it works great for me, and I like this one the most. And then you're going to need a pair of tweezers. Now the tweezers I actually like to use. I don't know where the heck they are, but I'll be using these today. And I like personally to use a precision tip instead of like a what is it called, like a square tip. Like I don't like really using those because it blocks my vision and seeing what I'm doing. I'm gonna want to start off with clean lashes and just make sure that they are nicely spaced out. So yeah, as you guys see, I'm starting off with clean lashes, and this is so unsettling to see my eyes but not my mouth move. What I like to do is I'm going to go in with my mediums first. Something you're going to want to probably put your lash glue on is you're going to want to put it on a piece of aluminum foil. So I've dumped out the lash glue right here, as you see. Then I'm going to take my mediums right here, and we're just gonna take, honestly, it really doesn't matter which one you take, but if you like go in order, that's you, you know. I'm just gonna take the first one. Yeah. So you're gonna wanna go on like the outside of your lash first. And then gonna wanna go and press it down so it sticks. And you're gonna wanna put them at a distance of where you can fit at least 2 more lashes in between. So you want to kind of put them up and then press them down in the middle. When you press, you don't really want to go where you just put the glue because it's going to stick back on the lashes. You want to go kind of like up towards the flare out part. So when you're putting these on, you want to make sure you're going with the contour of your eye. So you don't want to put a lash this way, if you can see it, this way if your eye is going in this way. Right now I have all of the medium lashes on, that I want. It may look a little crazy, but that's exactly the way I want them to look, just because it gives more of a natural wispy look. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the long lashes that I have, and they'll be going in between the gaps that I created. So with the long lash, I personally like to go out on the outside. Achieve the wispy eye. I'm going to do my other eye and then I'm gonna come back so you guys can see the full set. I am back and I have done both of my eyes, and this is how it turned out. I really prefer a wispy lash over anything. So yeah, it's not too full, it's not too sparse. So yeah, so this is what my lashes are looking like. And like I said, these are literally beauty supply store lashes, or mine were at my store like $1.99, and then tweezers, and then lash glue. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and like I said, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, go ahead and like the video and whatever the heck else. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.